If you're looking for an affordable wireless intercom system for film sets, the Accsoon CoMo SE might just be your answer. So let's go ahead and check it out. The CoMo SE is a compact all-in-one wireless intercom system, which means no base station is needed. It can support up to 5 users with ultra-low latency, perfect for small to mid-sized crew. The rechargeable batteries last up to 30 hours. Yes, that's 30 hours. And it charges via USB-C, which is great for on-the-go shooting. You get a crystal clear audio with noise reduction, plus a comfortable over-ear headset. Setup is a breeze. Just power on, you only get to sync it once, and thereafter it automatically syncs up every time at power on. And you are ready to go. No complicated wiring. For the price, the built-in quality is impressive, and so is the audio. It's lightweight, works up to 400 meters of range, perfect for filmmakers or live events. The unit feels premium, the quality is great. Key features: 1 host headset, 4 remote headsets, over-ear single headphone style, adjustable boom microphone, you can switch ears, 400 meters of range, environmental noise cancellation, rechargeable battery, 30-hour runtime. We've had the chance to test it in real-life scenario. Be sure to subscribe for more. See you on the next one.